The two things that I've used most with MailChimp are just the campaigns and the lists. Just dove into kind of the basics of MailChimp, but there's a lot more that you can do within it. So looking at lists, this is your list of that you have for different subscribers for different things. So I've only used it for my sales podcast. I wanted to get information to subscribers about what my podcast was going to be each week and just get information out to them. So once you go into it, it has the emails here, and then it has name, last name, whatever information that you get in the sign up forms, and then it shows you where they signed up from, which is useful information in figuring out where to target, basically where you're going to get people from. So sign up forms, this is a huge part of it. It's got form builder, embedded forms, subscriber pop-up. The two that I've used the most are form builder, embedded forms. This is one that I just put on my website, a little embedded form to get people are interested, subscribe there. But this is the one, form builder, where you can really, this is basically a web page that you create to get people to subscribe to your mailing list. So you can link this website on social media, wherever you want. And then they get there, it has a little write-up on it, and then they can type in their information. I like to do first name, last name, and email address. And that way I can do more customization later. So it's got tons of different forms that you can build. I've built several of them, and it's very, very useful. So then just real quick, diving into the campaigns. The campaigns then are each individual basically campaign that you send out to the subscribers. So this is, I sent several within the podcast, and then looking at them, you can customize each one to however you want them to look and to your needs, basically. So a lot of customization. MailChimp has a lot more capability than I've even dove into, and it's really cool to see all the information that's there.